This is Mr. Burley at St. Elizabeth Catholic School. This is the fourth video for the box tutorial. And what I want to do now is, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a channel through here. So we're going to go sketch, create a sketch. I'm going to sit on this front face. I'm going to turn this off just because it's not really required, so put that off so I can see it. Little mouse button down. I'm going to create a sketch with the line tool. I'm going to take my line tool in here. Go something like this. I'm going to keep those at 90 degrees. If they're not at 90 degrees, simply hit the tab key, switch it to 90 so that it stays at 90. And of course we have to close the box up. So I'll come back here and join from there to here. Now click this key and we're going to do some dimensioning from here to here. That's going to be 9 millimeters. And from here to here, it's going to be 9 millimeters. So that'll automatically make this 22, I believe. Then we're going to click on from this to this, to there, to there. It's not clicking on for me. From there to there. To make that 15 millimeters high. Now you notice this kind of crossed kind of funny here. Just go on the other side and do the same thing and make it 15 as well. That's because I didn't constrain. Again, we could have went like this. I could have went equal lengths and constrained it, but I didn't. I'm going to go to isometric view now. Click Stop Sketch once I'm done. Right click on that, press Pull, select that face. Now if I pulled it out this way, it would add a body. But in this case, I'm going to click on, again, Cut. And I'm going to take, it says Air because it's cutting in air. I go right back through this way here. Scroll through and around, and you'll see what I'm doing. Cutting the channel. Click OK. Channel's cut. Now what I want to do is I want the student to sketch, create a sketch, and I want to sit on this face. And we're going to go a circle tool. I'm going to use this one. I want the circle right in the center. And how you do that is I go like this. I come up here and work my way across until you see that. Then I come down here and grab this guy and go up and down until you see that. Now if you come to the center, it'll join the two. So it knows you want the midpoint of that, and basically this is the midpoint of that. So you come through, and you can see that's dead center now. I click there, I'm going to bring it out. I didn't do that. It's okay. Just go back. I'm going to dimension it. So I'm going to make it, say, 28 millimeters in diameter. And stop the sketch. I'm going to go scroll in now, click on it, right-click, press Pull. I'm going to make a solid. I'm going to add a body to it. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to make the body part of it. As this would make a new body, a separate piece, but I'm going to make a joined body. And all I do, if I want this, I can grab it here and lift it up and down, say the height I want to go to, or I can just touch this surface and it'll snap up to that, and you'll see snapped it too. So it snaps to that surface, so now this is a level surface. Click OK, we're done that. Now what I want to do is create a sketch, circle tool, sit on that face there. Oops. Circle, click here. And I want to go right to the center. You see how it snaps to the center? Perfect. Come out here, I want to make it 20, 22, I think it was. Yeah, that's right. Stop the sketch. And I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to actually use it to cut again. I'm going to go press Pull. I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to go all the way through, and you can see it's already set to cut, which is cool. Okay, done. So now we've got it cut all the way through. Next step is I want to start to modify, add some modifications to it. Modify, I'm going to do a fillet across this side here, which is like radius. I'm going to make that, say, right over here. I'm going to make it, say, 15. And there's a nice 15 millimeter radius on that. And I'm going to hold the Shift key down, middle mouse button, and come on to this side now. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Create, modify, fillet. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Make it again, I'm going to make this side 20. Click OK. Go back and change the other one to 20 because it. But I just showing you that you can do different sizes. Now, what I want to do now is, this is done as far as I'm concerned. We can come in here, modify, click on, say, chamfer tool, and I can come in here and I can put a nice 1 millimeter chamfer all around there. And I can come on this side here, the same thing. I can click on that face, modify, chamfer, click on the chamfer tool, maybe make this one 5 millimeters. Let's see. That's how you make that chamfer. You can make this on that modifying tool that I just did the chamfer. You can make it anything. You can change the angle. You can change the size. So you can make it a exact 45-degree angle or 60 or whatever you want it to be. Now what I'm going to do, that concludes this tutorial. This will give the student enough skills to start to design something, say for the 3D printer. what I'd like the student to do now, or like you to do now, is I want you to go back, modify this so it cuts all the way through. You see how it's got a, remember we in the last one we did an engineering change where we lifted it up. I want it to look like this right the way through. Then I'd like the student to go back, make this right here, and make a nice channel, 15 millimeters wide in the center, all the way through. Right the way through, so I can look right down through there. Channel all the way through, a channel all the way through. All right, and I'll go back here now and delete this channel here. Get rid of that channel. So when you call me back over, this channel should be gone, and this channel should be here ready to go, and everything should look just like you see it right now. Okay, thank you.